Do not ever challenge this kid.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
People are in my way.
I know.
What's your defense?
Sit down where it hurts.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys, you probably can't see me, but hi.
I can see you good.
Yeah. Sit down.
Ugh. Whoa, going.
There we go.
I turned the camera on at just the right time.
Yeah, you did.
Woo! That's the grand finale, guys. That sizzle though, get at my level.
Now go home.
Woo! Well, that's it.
Yeah, you know about the neighbors do a better job.
Check out all the people down here. We're downtown. Oh, the people.
Just remember, you don't step up to my level. Right in the side of your head. See how everybody like it.
There.
Put it.
What? Okay, hold on a minute.
Why are you trying to twerk me? What are you doing?
UFO.
I think. What do you think?
Still recording? I like the fireworks.
It smells illegal.
It does smell very illegal. Look, there's more fireworks over there.
Want me to hold it?
Why?
Swing low.
Because you shake it too much.
I shake it too much? It's all zoomed in. So now we have this incredible walk back to the car.
Sweet chariot,
And
come and take me home.
What the hell are you singing?
swing on to share. If you don't know that song, you need to go back to school.
Oh, yeah, but girl.
I know you have to walk all the way back up to like the library.
Chariot,
I don't even know where you're
come
So, yeah.
and take me home.
Oh, I don't even know what you're singing.
No time to go.
Talk to you guys.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
I'll talk to you guys. It's dark. You
Paying attention.
can't see me.
Precisely.
But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Talk to you guys. Yeah, hold it. I gotta have a word. It's so dark.
Jesus.
Jesus!
Take the wheel.
All the feels! But yeah, I'll talk to you guys after. Yeah. See you.
Jesus. We're gonna do this every time you see one. Alright,
Raise the hands.
The roof is
Not the bad idea. We'll do some Titanic stuff. I'm flying, Jack. Bitch, you might fall off. Yeah, I'm flying. Yeah.
Those are my favorite ones.
Bam. I like how the little ones like.
Boom.
Look at those both simultaneously combust.
You know the one I like the ones that go and rain down. I love those.
Yeah. Do the wave. You're gonna like backhand mess around.
Say hi.
Hi.
How are you? Titanic.
If you do the Titanic right now, I'm putting you on YouTube. Okay, that just got awkward.
Yeah, I did. I ain't ready. You ain't ready for this.
You ain't ready for this. Woo! There's tons of people. The fireworks. As a dude casually goes by. Come back.
Tell me bedtime stories.
I just generally looked over and I was like, wait, what?
Would you bring that to you?
You missed them.
Yeah.
These fireworks suck, to be honest. Your face
There needs to be more, like all the way across. I know, right?
It needs to go boom, 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 boom. It needs to be like up, high.
I've done it. On this side, she can have the other side.
Woo! Oh no, it's going off to the side. Where is it? This chick's head's in my way.
There's a low shot.
I hate those no shots.